red curry pumpkin pie. Imagine you have a dessert that is a little bit savory and a hint of spiciness.
No, that's up right here. I'm in. I'm in.
So basically, I mean, you steam the pumpkin.
Right?
Right here, I asked for...
What kind of pumpkin do you prefer?
Kabocha pumpkin or
Kabocha
Japanese pumpkin.
is beautiful, deep orange color. Tough skin. So you might want to use a knife rather than a peeler.
But do you know what I find it easier? Like when you cut it, you steam it first so you can peel it. So it's easier
that's
that
smart.
way.
Yeah.
Split it with a cleaver and then just steam it and then scoop it.
And then coconut
good advice.
milk.
Little coconut milk.
Okay.
Yes.
And then the curry paste.
You know what I love about this? In Australia, we only eat pumpkin when it's roasted and served with potatoes and roast lamb.
Nice.
We don't have it as a sweet, so this is kind of somewhere in between, right? Some sweet, but still savory.
Yes.
Yes.
Really cool.
So, palm sugar.
Nice.
Somehow, when it comes to America, it started to harden. To make it easier, then you can just kind of grate it.
Oh, I love that. It's like snow.
Correct.
Right.
Like you can grate it off like
Palm
this.
sugar
You
snow.
Just make it messy.
Yep, just like that.
You know, even that with a coffee is lovely.
Beautiful.
So a tiny bit of sugar, and then you add some eggs into the pie filling.
I'm whisking some cream over here for you because any pie needs some whipped cream.
And that bowl was in the freezer. If you guys want to whisk up whipped cream, it literally takes like 2 minutes. And a great trick is to just chill your bowl first.
So we pour all the ingredients into the pie.
Gorgeous.
Super easy.
I'll put that in the sink for you.
Thank
I'll just
you
grab
very
it.
much.
Sure.
Curtis, do you want to make a pause and we can decorate the pie together? I mean, Thanksgiving is all about gathering with the family, right? I want to make my pie special, so, you know, and you can do that at home with a cookie cutter. You can do it in heart shape, you can do flowers, anything you want. Super easy.
And then what do you do with the hearts?
Then you egg wash it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that. And then you can put it on the top. How cute. Right?
Got you. So like that?
Yes.
Gorgeous.
You can go this way, you can go that way, you know, let your...
I'll brush.
Exactly.
You decorate.
Let your, you know, make it art. Cook with love is best policy.
I love this. It looks so pretty.
Thank you.
What did you do to these beautiful leaves here? The beautiful...
Oh, it's candy. So,
Candied leaves. They're
while
gorgeous.
that Curtis finishing that, we are going to make a Thai basil candy.
Beautiful.
Right? So, and it's super easy, and it's an like a showstopper even.
Gorgeous.
So what you do is, you know.
Is this cream okay for you, baby?
That
You
looks
want
so
it
good.
more?
I think that's good.
I
Soft
like a nice
peak.
pourable, right?
Yes, soft
yeah.
peak. Can I borrow your eggs?
Of course.
And so all you have to do is just like brush the egg
Oh, yum.
white. You can do both sides, right?
Right.
And then you kind of sprinkle.
Just sprinkle with a little sugar.
With a little sugar. And then leave it for 2 hours and overnight to make it crisp and a beautiful candy.
Oh, there's one on the back counter. Show them the ta-da.
Yeah, but we have not
bring it down here.
That was fast.
Bring it
You
down here.
very fast
Pretty. So now, how would you serve this, darling?
Kid, okay, before that, I have a good technique. Like, once you have that finished and ready to go,
Yes.
right, to make the pie look this golden and beautiful,
Yes.
you start it off with a high heat.
Okay.
Right? So 425 for about
425.
for about 15 minutes, and lower
Gotcha.
it down to 350 and let it, you know.
And let it finish cooking
yes,
through.
yes.
And would you like to do the honors, my darling?
Oh, thank you.
And show them how you would garnish a piece. With your beautiful leaves.
Yes,
and cream.
and because we have a red curry in there.
Yes.
Why don't we do a red curry?
In the whipped cream.
In the whipped cream.
Oh, wow. Oh, nice.
Just a
Wow.
light
Yes.
touch, right? And if you like it, a tiny bit of sugar does not hurt anybody.
Good.
Okay, looks so pretty.
That's
All right,
lovely.
put one on a plate. Come on, let's see. Show them your ta-da.
I'm going to help you.
There you go.
Love
There
it.
you go.
Beautiful.
And then spill a little cream.
Down
yes.
with the cream.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, sassy.
And voila.
Oh!